This is a great item that's available at MakeYourOwnBirdToys.com. It's dried corn, and they're cut with and drilled with a hole, and they're great to add to toys for something different for your parrots, and it makes it really quick and gives them a lot of opportunity to chew. I'm going to show you a couple ideas here real quick. You take a skewer, a stainless steel skewer, take off the end, and I'm just going to string some wood on here and use these 1-inch mini bagels in between the wood. And put the ear of corn on here. Put another piece of wood, a bagel, another piece of wood, and we're just about done there. So put this on here. And you can add anything. You can do your own wood that you cut, other toy parts that your bird might like, and put a quick link in here. And there you've got a nice, quick, easy toy that you can put in the cage. Gives them a foraging feature with the dried corn, and also they'll have wood to chew. If you don't have a stainless steel skewer, you could also do it with rope. I'm using a 1/4-inch leather lace. You could use hemp rope, whatever rope you have available. Put a piece of wood on here. Then I'm going to change it up a little bit, and I'm going to add a palm leaf flower. Put the and a sandwich in the corn in between the palm leaf flower. Then I'm going to put another piece of wood. And in between this wood, I want to put a couple of fatty bagels. And a wooden bead. And that just gives them something to play with. And then I'm going to top it off with a piece of wood to hold all this together. And then just cinch it up tight. And there you have another version of the toy with some of the dried corn. Just something easy for them to chew. And then they're going to have to kind of go in between these palm leaves to get at the corn. And it gives them something different to do. So those are a couple ideas you can use the dried corn with. It's just easy for you to make great toys.